So guys, there's only a few days left of the mod giveaway in the video that I posted about it. So far I have 2 entries, if you guys know who you are. So there's a 50-50 chance that one of these guys are gonna win, and I really wish that I could get some more people to enter. You guys see my original video about it, how to enter. I'm gonna put the rules into this video also, but yeah, come on guys, step it up, get entered in here. It's a free part. Just because I get to pick it doesn't mean free isn't free, you know. So come on, let's get it going.